Hello, good morning, all. Welcome back to the Digital Learning English class at St. Joseph English Medium School, Vijaypur. Dear students, as you all know, I am your English teacher, Mrs. Manikya Chikmat. So, children, in our previous video, we have learnt about lesson number 5, Rover, Mr. Smith's best friend. In that lesson, we have learnt about pet animals, how the pet animals are important in our life, and we have learned some language development and articles in the grammar part. So today in this video we are going to learn poem number 6. Before going to that, let us do some pre-reading activities. Okay students, let me to know how you are studying in your home. Everyone have their own style in the study. Especially in this lockdown time, you all spending your most of the time in your home. So means how you will study in the home. Okay, let me to guess. Some of you will sit on the chair and study. Some of you will lying on the sofa or on the bed or lying on the floor and study. Some of you discussing each other and talking too much and study. In the home, no rules and regulation for the study, so you're going to study in your own way. That's fine. Dear children, how we have to study properly, how we have to study. Is it right to study sitting in front of the TV watching television? Is it right to study along with the children's or something else? Is it right to study discussing with each other loudly or shouting? No, this is not a proper way of study. This is not a proper manner to study. How you have to study? You have to study sitting alone in your study room or discussing silently with each other. You have to sit alone in your study room and concentrate on the study. You should not disturb yourself. You should not concentrate what is the things are going outside beside you, out of the room, and you must not watch the TV while you are studying. You should not watch the TV while you are studying. If you want to watch the TV, just leave your homework, just leave your study and watch the TV. You have to do one thing at a time. You have to do one thing at a time. If you mix all these activities at a time, if you did all these activities at a time, you will not enjoy any work properly. You will not enjoy any work properly. If you want to study, you have to study only. You have to concentrate on the study and finish your study. If you want to watch the TV, cartoon, leave the study. Stop doing study and watch the TV properly. Then you will enjoy your TV show. If you want to play the game, that time you should not study because you cannot concentrate on the study or not on the game. If you want to play, just leave your book and go out, play your game and enjoy it. So dear children, why I am discussing all these things in this video? Yes, our today's poem is on the things on that. What is that? One thing at a time. We have to do one thing at a time. What we have to do? One thing at a time. Let's move to the poem. Poem number 6. One thing at a time. Okay, students, let us do the reading practice of this poem, one thing at a time, line wise. You all have to repeat after me. Let's start. Work while you work, play while you play, to be useful and happy. That is the way. All that you do with your might. Things done by halves or never done right. One thing at a time, and that done well, is a very good rule, as many can tell. Poet of this poem, M.A. Stoddart. Now, this completes the reading practice of this poem. You all have to recite this poem. Thank you.